Hey guys, here today showing you how to replace the air filter on your 2013 C250 Mercedes. This is the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This is the W204 chassis made from 2007 through 2014. You'll need a new air filter, obviously. You'll need a T25 Torx socket and probably a couple extensions for it, whichever one you prefer, a ratchet, and also a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing you want to do is to remove the engine cover. You can do that by just lifting up on the front and then lifting up towards the rear. Pop it off. You can just set it down to the side. Then the next thing you want to do is to obviously locate the air filter housing. That's this here. There are 3 T25 Torx that are holding the box on. There's one here, there's one right here on the top, and then there's one also right here in the back that you can see. Sorry, the camera angle can't see it, but it's there, it's clear, you can see it very easily. And then you'll also have to loosen the clamp that's right here on the front of the engine. Just a flathead screwdriver right here that you can loosen up, so I'm gonna loosen that up first. Just get it nice and loose, so that way you can be able to maneuver the air filter box off. Next thing you want to do is just to remove the 3 screws that are holding this on. Probably gonna laugh at my extensions because they're really long, but I like long extensions. Once you've got the 3 T20 Torx screws loose, you can actually go on ahead and kind of have to wiggle this air box up a little bit just so you can get enough room, and you can rotate it actually around like this so that you have access to the air filter. The air filter, you'll need to just use a screwdriver anywhere and just kind of pry it out. Probably pretty well stuck in there, but you go ahead and pull it out like this, and then you can go on ahead and install your new air filter. Then you go ahead and lift this up a little bit and rotate it back down towards the engine. When reinstalling this back down, you'll notice that there's 2 notches down on the bottom on both sides. Pretty much the bottom of the box slides down into the notches, not into the holes that are in this box. It just slides on top of those 2 notches and down into where you can secure it into the box. Once you get it back down settled, you can go on ahead and reinstall the T20 Torx back into place. Don't tighten them too hard, it is just plastic. Once you've got the 3 T20 Torx tightened up, you can go ahead and retighten the flathead screwdriver screw right here on the clamp. Then you can go on ahead and reinstall the engine cover. That just pops right back down in this place. Just like so, and there you'll have it. I do have a few other videos on this particular vehicle coming up. I'll try and leave a link in the description below. Otherwise, I might have a box for you to click on there. But if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you would hit the subscribe button on the way out. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.